So again, you need to seek shelter if you're in this warning. Get away from windows and get on the lowest floor possible. This is a significant tornado that is currently in progress. Unfortunately, we are seeing, again, possibly worst case scenario in this sort of event today, with a pretty destructive tornado right now heading towards Gaithersburg. And this is a tornado warning, a particularly dangerous situation with a strong and large tornado that is currently in progress heading towards Interstate 270. I'm gonna see if we have any live shots of this. Just give me 1 second. And I'm literally, I just got to the studio, like into the second studio, like 10 minutes ago. We had to rush to set everything up for this, so I am not really prepared for this stream. So just kind of letting you guys know what's happening here. Obviously, we're not in the studio. We're traveling, so this was not expected today. Just gonna let you know, we were not expecting something like this. You know, a PDS tornado in Maryland was not on the bingo sheet today, and unfortunately, this looks like a pretty significant tornado. Big debris signature near Highway 119 right now. And yeah, it really can't get much worse than this for this particular event. You know, the atmosphere was not really the most favorable for tornadoes today, which is why we kind of skipped out on today. And unfortunately, we have this pretty strong tornado with a big debris signature near Highway 119 right now. And again, it still continues as a PDS tornado. This is still a particularly dangerous situation here in the state of Maryland. Also, the sound effects aren't working, but we have another tornado warning near Westminster, back over here to the northwest of Baltimore. That is another tornado warning. If you're in that one, make sure that you're seeking shelter away from windows and on the lowest floor possible. We will have a new radar scan here in just a moment, so I'll be waiting on that. And here's that new scan, and it looks like your tornado right now is going right into Pleasant Run, Clopper, and Metropolitan Grove here, just west of Gaithersburg. So that is where this tornado right now is on the ground. We do have some cameras in this area that we actually have some live shots. Let's pull this up real quick. This is a live shot. The tornado is going to be in here somewhere. Significant traffic. I'm not sure if this is normal for this particular area, but we at least have a live view here of really a lot of traffic right now. So there might be a tornado somewhere in here. This is where Interstate 270 is in Maryland. Let's see if we have any other view of this. This tornado would be approaching basically the west side of Gaithersburg. So it's going through areas near Kentlands, which is a community here on the west side of Gaithersburg, and just to the south of Germantown. So that's where, again, this particular tornado is currently on the ground. This is another live shot. I think this one's actually looking towards the tornado. We'll have to wait and see. This is a live shot right now. This would be presumably where the tornado currently is, and it's definitely windy. So this tornado is somewhere in this area. Yeah, this is not good. Unfortunately, this is a very populated area. There's nothing good about this. I don't even have a light on. I mean, we literally have nothing. This is, again, we had to set this up, like, very quickly. So the wind's picking up right now. This is, again, one of the cameras here in Maryland. Let's see if I can try to put this on another screen here. Let me go to here. Let's see if I can just put this up on there. Yeah, I'm going to keep a close eye on that camera. This is, again, your large and strong tornado that's heading right into the west side of Gaithersburg. That is your debris signature on radar. That is where this tornado is still on the ground. That dark blue is representing some pretty significant debris, possibly trees or, you know, parts of buildings. We don't really know what that is, but there's definitely some significant debris right now that's being lifted up into the atmosphere, just on the west side of Gaithersburg here in Maryland. So again, if you're in this warning, you got to get underground if you can. Get away from windows, get on the lowest floor possible. It will be on track for Redland, Olney, Brooksville, Sunshine, Laytonsville, Durwood, and even Montgomery Village. All these areas right now are in the track of this large and strong tornado. Again, this is a particularly dangerous situation here in Maryland, where we do have a large and strong tornado on the ground. I'm watching the live camera right now where this tornado would approximately be. There are a lot of cars out on the roadway. I mean, we are talking pretty much the peak of rush hour. Hopefully these people know that there's a large tornado on the ground, because I don't know how many people actually do. Hopefully, you know, they do, but there's a lot of people out here, and you can see how windy it is right now. This tornado is in pretty close proximity to this particular live camera, so, you know, hopefully these people know, and hopefully this tornado lifts before it hits I-270, because Interstate 270 is not a small interstate here. This is 100% still on the ground. You can see it right here. That's your debris signature. It is approaching Gaithersburg really quickly, and it is going to be making its approach as well to Summit Hall Reserve and Shady Grove Village are going to be in the track of this. So again, if you're in this warning, you got to get underground if you can. Pleasant Run being hit by this tornado as we speak, and it'll eventually be approaching Washington Grove. And yeah, that live camera that we're looking at, that is where the tornado would be. I mean, it would be literally over this. This is the intersection. You can see the wind still picking up. The tornado is in vicinity of this particular live camera. Give or take half a mile, but it's definitely close by. You can see everything moving here. So this tornado's on the ground somewhere in here. Not sure how close it is, but it has to be pretty close. I'm not sure if this camera is delayed either, but I'm pretty sure it's right in the vicinity of this camera. I'm gonna keep it on my other monitor, and we'll pull it up when needed. Let me go back to the screen here. I don't have that stuff working on the right side. So again, latest update on radar, still showing that tornado moving right over, just crossed over the Highway 124 and 119 stretch there. It's now about to cross right over Interstate 270. So that is going to be hit here in just a moment. Here is a live shot also of this particular storm. Another live shot trying to see where this tornado would be. We have a pretty significant debris signature. There's a lot of spin in those clouds. There's definitely a chance that this lifted. I would assume if there's a tornado, it's right in front of this, camera here. You can see how fast those clouds are moving. It looks like the tornado, if it was on the ground, would be where we're looking right now in this live shot. Let's see. Wow, it is very ominous. There's definitely a lowering, you can see it. Obviously, it's a bit of a pixelated camera. These are just traffic cameras, but we are basically looking at where this tornado would be. This is not something you want to see here in Maryland. Yeah, it's just a marginal threat of severe weather. Again, I had no plans of going live today. I literally just got back, not even to my studio. We're just in a dysfunctional studio right now, basically. And so, I was not ready to go live for this. I'm glad we are, because, unfortunately, there's a large tornado here. I'm trying to see if we can see anything. I'm hoping it lifted. I'm guessing this would be what we're looking for, though, right here. Look at that debris. Yeah, the tornado's right here. That's debris. There's debris flying out of the sky. There's some stuff flying out of the sky. You can see it. Yeah, this is where the tornado is. It's got random pieces of debris flying out of the sky. It looks like a lot of... You can't really tell what it is because it's so pixelated, but just kind of looked like bark maybe or something like that. There's definitely debris right there. Wow, this is